In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle? And how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid power distribution box contains fuses and relays for efficient power management, featuring a compact design for easy access under the hood. It also includes protective covers for enhanced durability and safety. Power distribution box. Bottom. The bottom power distribution box of the 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid contains fuses and relays for key electrical systems, ensuring efficient operation. Its durable design and strategic placement provide easy access for maintenance and enhanced reliability. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse panel in the 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid organizes fuses for various electrical systems, ensuring easy access for maintenance. Its layout enhances reliability and safety by protecting critical circuits within the vehicle.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.